Hello everyone, welcome back to TECHFRONTER. Get ready for an Android earthquake. Rumors are swirling that Samsung might be following Google's lead and offering a whopping 7 years of updates for the Galaxy S24. That's right, 7 whole years of the latest features, security patches, and sweet Android goodness. But is it too good to be true? We're diving deep into this potential game changer, exploring the reasons behind it, the impact on the Android ecosystem, and what it could mean for you. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's see if the Galaxy S24 is about to become the update king of the Android castle. Samsung may join the update race. Galaxy S24 poised for 7 years of Android support. The battle for software support supremacy in the Android world might be heating up, following Google's recent announcement of offering 7 years of updates for the Pixel 8 series. Rumors suggest Samsung is considering a similar move for its upcoming Galaxy S24 lineup. Let's delve into the potential implications of this exciting development. A shift in strategy. Traditionally, Samsung offered 4 years of major Android updates and 5 years of security patches for its flagship smartphones. While this was already generous compared to many competitors, Google's extended support timeline raised the bar significantly. If Samsung follows suit, it would mark a significant shift in strategy, potentially driven by increased competition. Google's commitment to long-term updates puts pressure on other manufacturers to keep pace and offer competitive software support. Sustainability and customer retention. Providing longer updates encourages users to hold onto their phones for longer, reducing electronic waste and potentially boosting customer loyalty. Enhanced user experience. Timely updates ensure access to the latest features, security patches, and performance improvements, leading to a smoother and more secure user experience. What to expect with the Galaxy S24? While official confirmation is still pending, here's what we might see if Samsung adopts a 7-year update policy for the Galaxy S24. Android 15 to Android 21. The S24 series could launch with Android 14 and receive updates all the way up to Android 21, whatever that ends up being called. Continued security patches. Alongside major Android updates, Samsung would likely provide security patches for an additional 3 years after the final major update. Potential parity with Pixel. This move would bring Samsung's update policy on par with Google's Pixel devices, offering users a similar level of software support. The impact on the Android ecosystem. If Samsung confirms a 7-year update policy for the Galaxy S24, it could have a ripple effect on the entire Android ecosystem. Increased pressure on others. Other manufacturers might feel compelled to improve their own update policies to remain competitive. Benefit for Android as a whole. Longer updates could enhance the overall perception of Android as a stable and reliable platform. Improved second-hand market. Phones with extended support could hold their value better, benefiting both buyers and sellers in the pre-owned market. Samsung's potential 7-year update policy for Galaxy S24. Beyond competition. While competition from Google is undoubtedly a factor, Samsung's potential shift towards longer updates might also stem from environmental concerns. Extending phone life cycles aligns with growing sustainability efforts by reducing electronic waste and encouraging resource conservation. Premium device justification. Offering extended support strengthens the value proposition of high-end smartphones like the Galaxy S24, justifying their premium price tags. Building brand loyalty. Providing exceptional software support fosters customer satisfaction and loyalty, potentially leading to repeat purchases and brand advocacy. Potential challenges and considerations. While the benefits of a 7-year update policy are significant, there are also potential challenges to consider. Development costs. Maintaining updates for older devices can strain resources and increase development costs for manufacturers. Hardware limitations. Older hardware might not always be fully compatible with the latest software features, potentially impacting performance and stability. Fragmentation concerns. A wider range of supported devices could lead to increased fragmentation in the Android ecosystem, making it more challenging for developers to optimize apps. Samsung's possible implementation. It's unclear how Samsung might implement a 7-year update policy for the Galaxy S24. Here are some possible scenarios. Phased rollout. They might initially offer 7 years of updates only for the highest-tier S24 model, gradually expanding it to other variants later. Selective feature rollout. Not all features from newer Android versions might be rolled out to older S24 devices to ensure compatibility and performance stability. Prioritization of security patches. Security patches might be prioritized throughout the 7-year period, while major feature updates might be limited after a certain point. The road ahead. The potential ramifications of Samsung adopting a 7-year update policy for the Galaxy S24 are significant. If confirmed, it would be a major step forward for Android software support, potentially leading to a more competitive and user-friendly ecosystem. While challenges exist, the potential benefits for users, the environment, and the Android platform as a whole are undeniable. The official announcement from Samsung is eagerly awaited, as it will shed light on their specific plans and the broader implications for the future of Android updates. While Samsung's official stance on the Galaxy S24's update policy remains to be seen, the rumors of a 7-year commitment are promising. If confirmed, this move could significantly impact the Android landscape, potentially leading to a more competitive and user-friendly experience for everyone. The coming months will reveal whether Samsung joins Google in the software support race, and if so, what it means for the future of Android updates. That's all the update-tastic speculation we have for you today on the possible 7-year update policy for the Galaxy S24. So will Samsung join the update race? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure. If they do, it could shake up the entire Android landscape. Imagine 7 years of updates for your S24. No more ditching your phone every other year just to stay on top of the software game. But of course there are challenges to consider, and we talked about those too. In the end, the decision is up to Samsung, and we'll be waiting with bated breath for their official announcement. Don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed this update roller coaster, and let me know in the comments below what you think about Samsung potentially offering 7 years of updates for the Galaxy S24, and while you're at it, hit that subscribe button to join our tech fam for more awesome content like this. Until next time, stay updated, and remember, the future of Android updates might be brighter than ever.